Hi all. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to create a new Lightning Salesforce app. Okay? We will be creating our own Salesforce application on Salesforce, okay, which supports the Lightning experience, right? Let's start. Now, just log into any developer org or any playground which you already have access to, okay? So I logged into my dev org, okay? So as soon as you will log in, you will be navigated to this setup homepage. Okay, from this quick find, just type app. Okay, and you can see right a lot of things have been displayed over here. So just select app manager. Yeah, so Lightning Experience App Manager. Okay, so here all the apps which are available on Salesforce will be displayed. Okay, so you can see here, right? App name, so Battle Station, Bolt, Community, Data Manager. So lot of things are there. Lightning Usage App, Music. So these all things which I have already created. Okay, so these all are called as the Lightning apps. Okay, now if we want to create our own app, how we can do it? Okay, so here just click on this new Lightning app button. Yeah, so you can see here, right? We have to provide app name. I'll just provide Salesforce tutorial. Okay, so developer name, by default it will be showing like this, but you can provide your own name, who is creating this app. Okay, tester. Okay, if you want you can provide some description for your application as well. Okay, and here you can see, right, app branding. Okay, so these are related to a new app which we are creating. So if you want you can upload logo also. Okay, if you already have any logo or picture in your system, then you can go ahead and upload it, okay, as a logo for your application on Salesforce. If you don't have, then that is also fine. Okay, that's not a mandatory, you can do it later. Okay, and here primary color hex, it means what, like by default it should show, the background and all, in which color it should be shown. Okay, so I'm just keeping it as it is. Okay, yeah, or theme options also, a lot of things are there. You can see here, right, use the apps image and color instead of aux custom theme. So here if we are uploading any image and if we are selecting any color, so if we want that to be shown on our UI, we can check this one. Or if we want any default Salesforce theme should be shown for us, then we can uncheck this one. Okay, it's up to you. You can see here, right, like Salesforce tutorial, this is the name of our app. Okay, just click on next. Yeah, so here a lot of things are there. App options. Okay, so navigation style, standard and console. Okay, so first let me explain you like what are all the different apps available on Salesforce. Okay, yeah, so on Salesforce, we have basically three types of apps: standard app, custom app, and console app. First, let's see the difference between the three. What is a standard app? Like it's a default app which is available on Salesforce. Okay, it comes with the default features. The navigation features and all. Everything will be like a default. Okay, so it comes with the Salesforce. No one will be creating this one. Okay, the tabs, objects, fields, everything will be by default. Okay, comes with the Salesforce. Now what is a custom app? For example, like if we want to solve some complex business requirements, okay, so we need to create an app on our own. Okay, which meets the complex business requirements. Okay, for that we might use Apex programming, Visual Force. So a lot of things are there, right? Directly we cannot use the standard app. So to meet the complex business requirements, to handle those all, then we have to create our own custom app. Okay, on Salesforce. Then what, it consists of basically tabs, objects. Okay, but as we are creating it on our own, it will not have the basic navigation possibilities on Salesforce. To find any data on Salesforce or to navigate to any particular object or to find any field, it might become very difficult, okay, inside the custom app. Okay, next, inside the custom app also, we will not be having quick access menu and switch to Lightning experience, that direct link, and lot of other shortcuts also actually we have on Salesforce, which might not be available to us on custom app. Okay, and basically this custom app is slower compared to other apps. Why? Because we don't have quick access menus. And yeah, and it's I already told you, right, to navigate also we have to search, it's better difficult. Okay, so it's a bit slower. Now, what is a console app? So, console app is mainly built on Salesforce so that it's quick and easy to use. Okay, you can see here, right? Basically, in real time for what situations, mainly for sales representatives, like they will be having like critical days where they have to, like for sales representatives, this console apps will be used, because they will be having some a few critical days, right, where lot of leads will be coming in inside the system. They have to assign those leads to particular owner, then they have to convert those to required opportunities, they have to close the deals. Okay, so for this purpose mainly console app will be used. Okay, so that's why in this console app the navigation also very easy, like all the tabs, objects, everything will be available for the sales representatives on a single screen, so that they can use it very easily. Okay, and for them all shortcuts also will be available for them on the console app. Okay, so that's why this console app is basically faster compared to other apps. Okay, so yeah guys, these are the three types of apps available on Salesforce. Okay, yeah, now we are back to creating a new Lightning app. Now here you can see here, right, navigation style. Here it's asking us to select. So now you have a basic idea, right, what is standard and what is console. So if we want, we can select a standard navigation, which comes by default with Salesforce. Okay, or if we want, we can select console navigation also. I already told you, right, console navigation means like it would be quick and easy for us to find all the objects, and all the tabs and objects, fields, everything will be available on a single screen, so it would be easy for us. Okay, so we can select anything. I'm just selecting standard. Supported form factors. Okay, so it says like whatever app we are going to create, so it should support both on desktop and phone. Only desktop, only phone. Okay, so I'm selecting both desktop and phone. Okay, yeah, so setup experience, this is not much needed. App personalization settings also, you can see here, right, disable end user personalization. So if we want, we can disable this, disable temporary tabs. So I'm just leaving these as it is, not much important. So just click on next. Yeah, so here we have another thing which is called as a utility items. Okay, so this is basically on desktop only. Okay, utility items. What is utility? It's nothing but like some quick access footer. Okay, so you can see here, right, fixed footer that opens components in a docked panels. Okay, so if for example add utility item here, for example I'm adding notes. Okay, so what will happen, that notes footer will be added, which will be fixed on my screen. Okay, so that every time if I want to create a notes, directly it will be fixed on the screen, right, so directly I can access it and I can create a note, so it's for easy access. Okay, so label and all, already it's there. Okay, if we want we can remove, or if we want other things also we can add it. Okay, other utility items. Okay, I'm just removing it. You can see here, right, they provided some examples also, so like this fixed footer we can view. Okay, on our screen. Now here utility bar alignment, here we have two things, default and mirrored. What is mean by this? Default alignment means basically it's a left alignment. Okay, mirrored means what, it's a right alignment, that's nothing much. Okay, so I'm just not adding anything, we'll just click on next. Navigation items, yes, so this is what, now as soon as we will open our Lightning app, then after the home, uh, so for example home, if you will remember in my other videos, like you can see, right, we will be having a home button, then after that like one arrow mark will be available. So those are called as navigation items. Okay, so if we will add these things, what will happen, like easily we can navigate to these things on our application. Okay, so it would be easy for us. Okay, so just I'm adding home. Okay, and still accounts, I'm adding accounts. I added accounts, then contacts, I'm adding contacts. Next, leads, leads. Next, opportunities. So we are creating our own custom app, right? So we can customize it accordingly. What navigation items we want. Okay. So I just selected these navigation items. Okay. So just click on next, and yeah, available profiles means what, whatever app which I am creating now. I am means what, I'm a Salesforce administrator. Okay. One more important thing, only the Salesforce administrator will have a permission to create these things. Okay, to create app on Salesforce. So as I'm having a Salesforce administrator access, so I'm able to create this app. Okay, so now I want to give access to other profiles as well. Okay, for example if I'm giving access to sales profile, custom sales profile, so what will happen, whoever user is having this sales profile access, they also can view this Lightning app. Okay, they also will have access for this Lightning app. So this is nothing but basically providing, giving access to users who are assigned to these profiles as well. Okay, nothing. simply community user, so you can add as many profiles as you want. So next, simply click on save and finish. Okay. Yep. So yeah, our new app has been created. Okay. Last modified date. So you can see here, right? Salesforce tutorial. This is the app we got, and see, this is the Lightning app. Okay. And if we want, we can click on this arrow mark, and we can click on edit as well over here. So if I'll click on edit again, like whatever I want, I can just change. Okay. I can add my logo also over here. Okay. So yeah, and here. Also, one more thing, I got system administrator access, right? So I created this app. Now if I want to view this app, then I need to provide access for myself also, right? For Salesforce administrator to view this app. So what I can do, just click on edit over here. Lightning App Builder will be opened, and click on user profiles. And here you need to just search with admin, and you need to add this system administrator. Okay, so I already added this profile but just wanted to show you. Okay, so you need to add this system administrator profile also, then only if you're an administrator you can view this app which you created. Okay, got it, right? So we'll just go back. Now click on app launcher and just search with Salesforce. See, you can see here, right? This is the new app which I created, Salesforce tutorial. I'm able to view here because I assigned system administrator profile, right? So that's why I'm able to view. If that is not assigned, then I cannot view. Okay. So make sure to remember this one. Now just click on this C. So yeah, this is the new app, Lightning app, which I just created on Salesforce. Okay, so this is our own customized app on Salesforce. See, if you remember, I have added these navigation items while creating the app, right? Home, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities. So in this manner, you can customize your own Lightning app according to your business needs. Okay, like whatever you want, tabs you can add over here, lot of things you can add over here. Okay, also I mentioned you, right, like about the logo. If you have added your own logo, then it would have displayed over here. Okay, in this place. Okay, so got it, right? Yes guys, so in this manner we can create our own Lightning application on Salesforce, and which we can customize it according to our business needs anytime, simply with few points and clicks on UI, right? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. Thank you.